how to edit your reel covers once the reel's already been posted. I forget to do this all of the time. I hit upload and I forgot to adjust the screen to fit my feed, or I forgot to upload the cover photo that I designed for this reel. But it's a simple fix. Hey, I'm Alex. I created over 50 digital products, DIYing it all on my own. I'm here to show you the exact steps that you can take so you can skip the struggle and get right to making money. Having reel covers is important to being discovered beyond your follower feed and beyond the Reels feed. They're helpful in the Explore page and on your actual profile. So let me show you how it's done. Click in on the reel that you want to edit the cover for, and then in the top right-hand corner, click on the 3 dots, and then you will see edit. Sometimes you have to click manage reels first, and then you'll see edit. And then in the left-hand corner, you're gonna see your reel, and underneath or right below, it says cover. You're gonna click on cover, and then here you can adjust the cover to be any part of your video by just sliding this back and forth, choosing the part that you like. And then you can click on profile in the top right-hand corner, and you can adjust the screen to fit that perfect square. Well, actually it's not a square anymore. It's 4x5 of what is gonna be seen on your feed. That's one way of doing it. The other way of doing it is adding from camera roll. So if you've created a specific cover, let's say in Canva, or you wanna use a specific photo, you can grab that photo here, choose it, and then hit profile again, and then you can adjust it once again to make sure that it is perfect in that 4.5, what you want to be seen on your profile. And when you're ready, when you like it, when the cover is what you want it to be, just hit done and it's going to save it for you. You want to have a cover photo for your reels for the Explore page, because when your reel is showing up on your Explore page, it is going to show up as a still image, and somebody needs to tap into that to actually watch the reel and to actually get the value from it. So you need to have certain piece of information, a certain attention grabbing hook photo on that cover so that somebody actually clicks in and watches the reel. Second reason why you want a specific color photo is on your feed. So if somebody lands on your profile, you want them to know that they are in the right spot, that what you have to offer them is right for them. And yes, your bio is really great for doing this. You want access to how to create a bio that converts, that tells your audience that they're in the right spot. Just type bio in the comments and I'll send you the link. But beyond your bio, they are also going to see your feed. They're going to see your content, and you want them to see that this piece of content resonates with them, whether they got to your profile because somebody sent it to them or they got it from the Explore page. They want to know that beyond the one piece of content they've already seen, all of your content is right for them, and having a reel cover that's describing what that piece of content is about is the best way to do this. Personally, I like to use a photo of the actual reel, a piece of clip of the reel as my cover. But in the past, I have created my own cover photos. It really just depends on your vibe and your aesthetic. There's no right or wrong way, and there's no evidence saying that a clip will perform better than an actual chosen photo or created cover will. So do what fits your vibe, your brand, your account the best. In the next video, I show you how to easily and quickly create cool reels using Canva templates. Check it out right here.